Hello friends, welcome back to yet another video of Microsoft Excel tutorial 2. In this video, I'll talk about formatting in Microsoft Excel. So today I'll discuss about formatting in Excel and conditional formatting, right? So here I have entered 1st of September. I want to drag it up to row 14. So now you've seen it is incremented by one date from 1st of September to 12th of September. So now you can see the format of these dates in DDMMYY. I want to change it in DDMMM YYY. That means 1st of Sept 2023 or 1st of September 2023. So how can I do that? I'll have to select these rows and then right click and select format cell. Now you can see cell. So I want this to be in DDMMYY. So I'll go to custom. I'll select DDMM and YY. If I don't find any, so even I can create my own. So I'll go there and DDMMYY 4 times Y. You will see 1st Sep 2023. If I want to change it further, alternatively I can use shortcut keys Control and 1. I'll hold Control and press 1 simultaneously. So I'll see that, right? I want this month to be full month written like September, not Sep. So now you can see 1st of September 2023. If I apply formula and I pass it same date and drag it further, so I'll get the same date as in default format. I want the month to be displayed here, so I'll use Control 1 simultaneously, go to custom and I write MMM 4 times. You'll see only September. Now I'll apply formula here, use equal to and pass this reference C3 and enter. Now I'll drag it further and then right click, or I can use Control 1, use custom, and now I want here, so I'll use YYYY 4 times Y, then I'll get the year name. So this way you can format yourself. So now you can see this is in this ID in numeric format, that is number. If I want to display it in text, so you can use text. So now it is in text, right? If I want to change it back to number, so I can change it back to number. I can increase decimal values and decrease decimal places. Even I can use percentage, comma, and anything you want. So let me talk a little bit about conditional formatting as well, right? So I have data sheet here. In data sheet, I have this annual salary. I want to put conditional formatting as per salary. If anybody's salary is below, say for example, 45,703, so those salary will be highlighted in red. All I need to do, I'll have to click on conditional formatting, then highlight this less than, click on less than, I remove it. So now what I want, any salary below 83,576 will be highlighted in red. So red is by default color, even you can change it to yellow. So now you can see, and even I can give any fixed number like 50,000, and in any salary less than 50,000 is highlighted in yellow. Now I want to highlight Asian ethnicity, Asian people in green. So I'll click on conditional formatting, click on equal to, I'll write here Asian, not green sensitive. So I want to highlight them in green. So you can. So now you can see job title. So in job title you can see engineering, engineer, control engineer, engineer. Engineers are appearing. Whether it is a control engineer or software engineer, anybody. yellow color will be shown in. So I'll go there. I'll not apply equal, because if I apply equal, so it will ask for only engineer which is written, any job title which is written as an engineer, not anything else, right? So instead of that, I'll use contains. That means that engineer will be fine in a text within a text, right? So I'll write engineer will be highlighted in yellow. So you'll see only control engineer here. No, okay, test engineer as well, automation engineer, and these all. Similarly, I want to highlight manager, whether it is senior manager or manager, anybody, right? In green. So I'll use green and then manager. All right, manager. Anybody who's manager, be it manager or senior manager or anybody, will be shown in green color. Let me tell you one more thing, that is a data bar. So I'll select bonus. You can see bonus, and then I'll have to click on conditional formatting, and I'll pick data bar, and I can select any one of them. I can select this one. So now you can see the greater the number, the larger the bar, right? And here in 0% you can't see anything, right? So this way you can do this. There is one more way. You can select it as per the number going up and down. You can see select this, these icons set. So then you can see like these numbers are smaller, so you can see the bigger number will be represented as upward trajectory, right? So these are the sort of conditional formatting wherein you can see data in one go. Let me show you one more thing. That is a color scaler. I'll pick one of the color scaler. So you can see this way. These numbers, a different color. You can change the color scaler as well. So now you can see this is one. You can pick. You can select any one of them. So now you can see any number which seems bigger. So it has dark green. If number is big, then you can see dark green as per number. So that's how you can put conditional formatting. So I keep this video till this point. In next video, I'll talk more about Excel. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.